Hello everyone, and welcome back to channel. Today, we have a sweet treat in store for you that's sure to satisfy your dessert cravings. We're going to be talking about one of our favorite desserts, the Sara carrot cake. If you're a fan of moist, spiced cakes with a rich cream cheese frosting, you're in for a treat. Stick around as we dive into the delicious world of Sara carrot cake. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our mouth-watering recipes and food reviews. Here it is, folks, the star of today's show, Sara carrot cake. It comes in this convenient packaging, making it super easy to store in your freezer until you're ready to indulge in a slice or two. The best part, you can have a delectable dessert on hand whenever those sweet cravings hit. Let's unwrap this beauty and take a closer look. The packaging is simple yet elegant, and as we remove the plastic, you can already smell those amazing, warm spices. Just look at this cake. It's perfectly moist, with a lovely orange hue from the carrots, and it's generously frosted with cream cheese icing. The texture is so soft and inviting. You can tell it's going to be a delightful treat. Okay, it's finally time for the best part, the taste test. That's incredible. The cake is incredibly moist and has a wonderful balance of sweet and spice flavors. The shredded carrots add a natural sweetness, while the spices give it that classic carrot cake aroma and taste. And let's not forget about the cream cheese frosting. It's the perfect complement, rich and slightly tangy. Each bite is like a little slice of heaven. Now, if you want to take your Sara carrot cake experience to the next level, here are a few serving suggestions. You can add a sprinkle of chopped nuts like pecans or walnuts for some crunch. Freshly grated orange zest is also a nice touch for an extra burst of citrusy flavor. And of course, a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dollop of whipped cream would be divine. So there you have it, folks, the delicious Sara carrot cake. It's the perfect dessert for any occasion, whether you're celebrating a special event or simply treating yourself. With its convenience and incredible flavor, it's hard to resist. If you've tried it before, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you haven't, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more tasty reviews and recipes. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.